Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to study about how are animals different. You see different animals around you, don't you? Our first very animal that we are going to study today are birds. Birds have two legs. They have two wings and feathers that cover their body. Birds can fly. They lay eggs having hard shells. Our next animal are fish. Fish have gills to breathe because they live underwater. They have scales all over their body. They don't have legs. How sad! But they have fins and tail which help them to swim. Fish lay their eggs in water. Their eggs are very soft. Now let us see how birds and fish they are different from one another. Birds can fly. Fish, they can swim. Birds have feathers that cover their body. Fish have scales that cover their body. Birds have legs. Fish don't have legs. Birds have wings to fly. Fish have tails and fin to swim. Birds lay eggs with hard shell. Fish lay eggs in water which are soft. Our next animal are amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting. They live on land and on water. They have wet skin. They lay soft eggs in water. They have gills when they are young. Most amphibians have legs which help them to walk. Now, how fish and amphibians are same? They both live in water. They both have soft eggs. They both have gills to breathe. Our next animals are mammals. Mammals live on land and some of them live on water. Whales are water mammals. Cats, rabbits, etc. are land mammals. Hair or fur covers their body. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Now what you have to do is, you have to write how mammals are different from amphibians. You have to do the reading of page 10 and 11. That's all for today.